We're trying to break in some times that a Mustang shouldn't be able to do out here. I haven't heard of a Mustang doing faster than 117.9.
Courtney has spent so much money. He has bought and installed so many parts. He's cut out so much weight. You would think this lap record would be a given.
Last time I was at the track, when I ran a 118.1, I had pretty much stock alignment. I think I was running a -1.5, 1.8 up front. Got the alignment adjusted, so I'm now running a -3 up front, -2 in the back. We're running slicks, well, as close to a slick as you can find in a 19, so we're running Hoosier R7s, 315, 30, 19s all the way around. Stripped some weight, so we went crazy and pulled out all the headliners, the carpets, all that kind of stuff. So, I mean, 100 pounds maybe. Steering wheel. So we did a quick release steering wheel. It's gonna get inputs tighter. So I think all those things together, realistically, I know we're saying 115s. If I can break into a high 16 today, I'm gonna be happy.
Personally, I think the car should be in the mid to low 15s. Based on the amount of aero and the tires that it has. This one stock went 17.9, and in my experience at this track, slicks give you 2 to 3 seconds. So that alone should put him in the window.
Dude, these tires suck until they work.
You're not too happy about these tires.
No, I'm not. We're having some issues with the tires. We had kind of thought that putting a Hoosier slick on would fix, get that extra 2 seconds or whatever we were looking for. But two things are happening. Either the tires are getting too hot because of my driving style, or the tires aren't getting warm enough. And because I am not having near the grip I'm expecting with those.
An S2000 caught on fire, and there's oil and water all over the turn 1, and they have been cleaning it for about an hour and a half, going on 2 hours. So we've been standing here hoping that they give us a green flag and we can get back out there.
You think we have any chance at the record today?
Yes, I still believe
I understand we might have a wild card up our sleeves.
we do, and that would be my teammate Zach.
I'm Zach Stott. I would, consider myself to be moving into the semi-professional territory, and I'm pretty fast. This will easily do 15s. I didn't have the opportunity to do it because basically 2 reasons. First of all, the oil dry through turn 1 is making it basically impossible. The car just wants to come around, and it's because of the oil dry. And then also, okay, sorry. I was at a 17.0, and I was coming out really hot, and I was like, okay, I can probably do it even with the oil dry there. This is gonna be a good lap. And I had a green first sector, and then I hit this BMW that I shit you not on the straight was going about 40 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Anyway, here's your wheel, man.
It was a good session. Sometimes it's not just about the lap time.
We did not hit the lap time that we came out here to hit, which proves that throwing tires and alignments does not get you lap time. It's experience and seat time. I can see how the time is in there in that car, and now it's up to me to get the seat time and learn how to drive it.
Under better circumstances, he could have got the record.
Oh yeah.